how to transfer money from Cash App to Apple Pay. If you've been wondering how to do this, you're in the right place. First things first, link your Cash App and bank account. First, you need to make sure your Cash App is linked to the same bank account that's connected to your Apple Pay. Open Cash App and add your bank account if you haven't already. To do that, what you need to do is open bank account, open your Cash App and tap on your profile. Then go to linked banks. Here you can choose your bank account. Since there's no direct way to transfer money from Cash App to Apple Pay, you'll need to first move the money to your linked bank account. To do this, go to your Cash App home screen, tap on Cash Out option and select the amount you want to transfer. Choose the speed, either standard or instant, and confirm the transfer. Now let's add funds to Apple Pay. Once the money is in your bank account, you can easily add it to your Apple Pay. Open your wallet app. Now tap on your Apple Cash card and select add money. Enter the amount you want to add from your bank account, then confirm the transaction. After you've added money, it's a good idea to check your Apple Cash balance to make sure everything went through smoothly. And just tap on Apple Cash card in the wallet app and you'll see updated balance. And that's it.